Welcome back. It's Mary with the Painted Peach. Today we are in the Stencil Sunday playlist with my co-host Christy from Funky Junk Inspiration. You can find the playlist link and the tag for Christy in my description. Make sure you check them out. Today we are doing a little fun summer stencil, and it is all about ice cream. So I'm using some Distress Oxide for my background. This is a canvas, so I'm just using those on the background, and I'm doing pinks and blues for that. Next, I'm adding a little bit of fuzz to the back of my stencil. These stencils are sticky. They're from Couture, and they are reusable. So you add a little bit of fuzz so you don't pull up any of the paint or in our case, Distress Oxide, and ruin your stencil because it would be too sticky also. I'm putting it off to the side a little bit because we're going to add the cutest little ice cream cone over to the side, a little 3D element, and that way it is going to be super duper cute. Here I'm deciding which chalk paste to use, which color. I do end up going with a purple, and that is what I'm doing now. You just take the little squeegee, use the paste, and put it on and wipe off the excess, add it back to the jar, or just use it on the rest of the stencil. And now it's time to peel and reveal, and it is Life is Short, Eat Ice Cream First. Now I'm just going to dry it before we move on and create our little ice cream cone. And to do that, we're going to also use a stencil for the ice cream cone, and we're using these little patches that I got from Chalk Couture. They're kind of like a canvas patch, and they're used for iron-ons, but today we're just using them for the fabric itself. And I'm using this bronze color. It's kind of glittery for the cone, and I'm doing the same process. You could use ink on these and it'd be permanent. We don't need it to be all that because we're not washing it or anything. Making sure it's really dry, and then we're going to cut that cone out, and then we're going to make the ice cream. Now for the ice cream, I'm going to use some of the chalk paste to paint the background because we want our ice cream to be colored. And then I'm going to dry that and then do the stencil over the top of the colored background. That way our ice cream is a color, and then we have the outline of the ice cream a different color. You'll see what I mean when I pull off the stencil. And there we have it. We get that dry, we cut it out. We're going to glue everything onto our canvas, and we're going to have the cutest little sign in the end. Oh, but wait, there's more. I forgot this is not a single ice cream cone. It is a double decker. So I have to add another layer. So we are going to change our mind on the blue, and we're just going to make it a vanilla top, and we're going to make a cherry on top, and the cherry will be red, of course, and we will do that by just painting that on in just a second with some of the paste. Then I decide to paint the blue on and then go back over the whole thing again with the other paste to outline everything, kind of like we do when we do the watercolor. I'm using my finger to apply it to the cherry because there's going to be two different colors, and it just made it a little easier to do to separate the pieces. And that's why I kind of did it the way I did it this time, because there was two different colors and color in the background wouldn't have made sense. I wouldn't have known where to place it. Now we just cut this one out also, and we'll add it to our ice cream cone. While we're cleaning up, I want to remind you to check out my description. There are links for the playlist and for my co-host, the amazing Funky Junk Inspiration. You can always watch the whole playlist by just clicking on that, and it will take you one after the other to watch them as if you were watching a season of your favorite television show. Now I'm just taking off the tape because I taped off the edges of this. It is a wooden canvas and I wanted the wood around it to show. And then we are going to glue the ice cream over to the side so it's a little bit of a 3D element onto the sign. So I'm just rolling it out and flattening it and working it until I get it nice and smooth. And what we're going to do is add it to the top of the sign like it's icing falling down, or maybe some ice cream floating over the top of it. So I'm going to do some little wiggly lines, and then we're going to place it to the top. And then I have some faux sprinkles we're going to add in there, and everything turns out adorable. I'll just let you watch till the end, and I'll see you back. I'm so glad you joined us today, and here is the final reveal. Check out that playlist and my friend Christy, and we will see you next time. And until then, stay peachy.